Welcome. We are here at 375 Patrick Road, looking at a little over 1,600 square foot rambler, sitting here on its own corner lot. A little bit of a look out over the valley there. Just give you an idea of what we're looking at here. The street looks that here. We can, from here, go on inside, and I'll show you around some of the rooms in there. Okay, here we are, just inside the main entrance here. We have a front little living room here with a fireplace, wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors. You got heaters in the walls here. And then, of course, back here we have the dining room. A large slider that opens up into the backyard, and we'll go ahead and take a look out there towards the end of the video. Round the corner we have a kitchen. There is so much storage in this kitchen, it boggles the mind. 1,600 square foot house, but the kitchen space is very spacious. Garden window there. An attached utility room. Again, there's more storage. Pantry space back here, galore. Another pantry, another pantry, another pantry. Off to the side here, we have one of the bedrooms. Really good size, actually. Good light, comfortable. Back this way, we have one of the two bathrooms in this house. This is a 3/4 bath, which means we're looking at a shower instead of a tub. And then another feature is the sunken family room here. Down a couple steps. You may be wondering about this room a little bit, and you've guessed it, this was a one-car garage at one point, and now has been converted into a comfortable little TV room space, a little quiet reading space if that's what you're up for. Again, a big coat closet here in the background. There is an AC unit here on site, although not too confident that that one works very well, if at all. Okay, now we're going to cross back to the other side of the house, passing the main front closet. Coat closet there. Hardwoods continue from the family room all the way back into these three bedrooms. The first of which here is, you can see it's a good sized bedroom. Good light, a little closet. Bedroom next to it is also a pretty good sized bedroom. Light. All right. The fourth bedroom is smaller than the other three. Easily. Fits small space usage. There's enough room in here for a single bed, dresser, and that sort of so forth. Another closet the same size as the other two. And then last but not least, here's the main bathroom. Very big bathroom. Lots of storage. We have a full tub in here, a little bit of skylight, good space, lots of room. Okay, I think from here we're going to go on into the backyard, and I'll give you a little short tour of what we have going on back there. All right, I have just now stepped out into the backyard. As you can see, we have a very nicely landscaped, mature landscape here in the back. Private, quiet, serene, dare I say. It is a terraced lot, which means we have not so much a sloping lot as we just have lots, levels in different sections. Fully equipped with a sprinkler. No garage, so all the parking is off street. But it is a corner lot, so you have a lot of it, a lot of curb. And there's some potential here to depending upon how creative you wanted to be able to find some additional parking. This space right here has definite potential for RV, utility, or just a car you didn't want out there. A little bit of a space here for tool shed, alley access up into that area. So this is the home. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a tour for yourself, please feel to reach out to me using the information you see on the screen in front of you, and be more than happy to arrange a showing. Until then, happy house hunting.